having a happy and great start to the new year. I know I am, and I can't wait to see what this year has in store for all of us. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use boxes that we all have lying around the house to make cute gift card holders. Before we get started, don't forget to click the subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. And just leave me a comment. What do you think about this video? Do you like it? Do you have any ideas for future videos? I'm always up for suggestions. Let's get started. Guys, I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. It was very fast, easy, and something we can all do, and something that would be useful too. I enjoyed making this video like I always do. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well, like CruzieTV, and I'll see you next time. Bye!